Hello everyone, welcome to the featured video of WooCommerce Order on WhatsApp plugin. This plugin is developed by FME Addons, a leading WooCommerce plugins development company having more than 2,000 happy customers. Let's see what this plugin can do for you. Make it easy for customers to place orders with the WhatsApp Order plugin. Display the Order on WhatsApp button on multiple pages of your website. When a customer places an order on WhatsApp, all checkout form details are automatically passed in the WhatsApp message. Order on WhatsApp plugin allows you to display a Share on WhatsApp button on the shop, product, and cart pages. Make payment easy for the customers by sending a Pay Now link on their WhatsApp numbers. Easily cater to more customers by adding multiple WhatsApp order numbers for each store. Order on WhatsApp plugin is fully compatible with HPOS, high-performance order storage, and multi-site. Let's see what this plugin can do for you.